Exodus 7, 8 through 13. I'm just going to read it to y'all. It says, "The Lord said to Moses and Aaron, when Pharaoh says to you, perform a miracle, then say to Aaron, take your staff and throw it down before Pharaoh, and it will become a snake." So Moses and Aaron went to Pharaoh and did just as the Lord commanded. Aaron threw his staff down in front of Pharaoh and his officials, and it became a snake. Pharaoh then summoned wise men and sorcerers, and the Egyptian magicians also did the same thing by their secret arts. Each one threw down his staff and it became a snake. But, look, listen, it says, but Aaron's staff swallowed up their staffs. So you're telling me that this man's staff, snake thing, swallowed up all the other snakes? That just stuck out to me. That God will always prevail in any situation. If you guys haven't read the Bible, in this point where we are in this part of the Bible, God had came to Moses and was like, hey, I need you to go set my people free, and I'm gonna help you go set my people free. And Moses is like, Lord, nah, you got the wrong one. Like, I can't even speak. Like, I can't even write. Like, you gotta go pick somebody else. And the Lord was like, all right, bet, got you. You still gonna go do the mission that I called you to go do, but I'm gonna go get you some reinforcements. So God and sends Aaron to Moses, and he's like, homie, you wanna help your brother set my people free. And the Lord's like, Moses, I need you to say exactly what I'm saying to you, to Aaron, so you know we can get the job done, because we are a team. We gotta work together in this. And even though Moses was scared, even though Moses felt like he wasn't qualified, he still did what God told him to do. I'm preaching to myself too, and it's so crazy that nowadays we also feel like we are not qualified to go do what God is calling us to do. And we come up with 1,001 excuses on why we can't go do that. Like, Lord, I can't do that because I'm not educated enough, or I'm not worthy enough, or people think I'm stupid, or nobody's gonna listen to me, or I'm not strong enough, or so on and so forth. But through every step that Aaron and Moses went through, God was with them. He was with them, telling them exactly what to say, exactly what to do. And he even told them, he's like, y'all, I'm about to go tell y'all to go do something, and it's not gonna work. The first 5-6 times, however many times they go to go talk to Pharaoh, he's like, it ain't gonna work, but I need y'all to go do this to build character, to build faith and trust in me. And then eventually, later down the line somewhere, I'm gonna set y'all free because you were faithful to me, you were obedient. Yeah, this book is just so good. This book is so good. And the Lord's just opening my eyes up to things, and that just never stuck out to me before, and I wanted to share with you guys. I'm also going through this Bible plan. It's the Bible in 52 Weeks plan. So good, so good.